Map activity. The map of original grants and farms, Manhattan Island, 1928. The Dutch West India Company gave small plots of land to 11 formerly enslaved people on the outskirts of town, 1643. The Dutch did this in the hopes that the formerly enslaved people's homes could serve as a buffer that would protect New Amsterdam during its war with the Mohawk Nation to the north. Either through these or other means, Maria van Angola was able to become a landowner and eventually gain her freedom. Okay, so this map activity uses this map. Now this map is pretty small, a little unclear. Use the map link in the assignment and that'll take you to a much bigger map. Now there's a couple of questions on this map. So one is, what is the title? When you look at the map, is there a title? Is there a scale and compass? So the compass, again, is the directions, north, south, east, west. Do we have a compass there? A scale tells us how much one little bit is worth. So is there a scale or a compass here? Do you see a scale, meaning how much does 1 inch of the map equates to how many miles, something like that. What is in the legend? Do you see a legend? What is shown in it? The next part is observe its parts. What place or places are shown in this map? What is labeled on the map? If there are any colors and symbols, what do the colors stand for? Who made this map? And when is it from? Next, try to make sense of it. What was happening at this time in the history the map was made? So you would have already read the reading on Maria van Angola, and this should give you a lot of context, a lot of background here to answer this question. Why was it created? So why was this map created? What was the point of this map? What is it for? List evidence from the map or your knowledge of the map maker that led you to this conclusion. So tell me, what's the point of this map? What's the reason this map was made for? What does it show? Next, just write one sentence summarizing the map. So in one sentence, just tell me what the map is about. What's this map showing us? Next, how does it compare to the current map of the same place? Now, I'd say answer this question if you have a map of Manhattan that you can look up. How does it compare? Next, use it as historical evidence. What did you find out from the map that you might not have learned anywhere else? So, what does this map tell you? What did you learn from this map? Next, what other documents or historical evidence are you going to use to help you understand this event or topic? So this is just kind of thinking. Anything else they can use to help understand this topic that we're talking about with Maria van Angola, with slavery in New Amsterdam, anything? So everything in the analyze the map box, I would say just do the best you can. Some questions might not pertain to this here. So remember, look at that. Is there scale and compass? And if you look at it, no, on this map, there's no scale and compass. So that you don't have to worry about it. So just answer any of the questions that make sense to you and to the best of your ability and use the larger map. At the end, you have 3 questions. What does this map tell us about New York City long ago? What may have been the benefits and challenges associated with owning land as an emancipated slave? So this is asking here, if you were a free slave, an emancipated slave, what's the good thing about it? And then what's the difficulties? What are the challenges of being a free slave at this time? And use all the information that you have. We have a bit of a blurb up here, and we have the map up here. And then the last question here, what would have been the benefits to owning land for Maria van Angola? So you could use, again, the map, the reading, all of that to answer this question. So for owning land for Maria van Angola, what's the benefits? So it's very associated with number 2, but you want to just get a little bit more specific with Maria van Angola.